The LiftMaster 890MAX mini remote uses a CR2032 battery. This is the CR2032 battery you'll need for replacement. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. It's a small rectangular tray with an indentation. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the compartment cover at the indentation. Ensure the remote is off, meaning no lights are flashing before you begin. Once the compartment is open, carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Avoid touching the battery terminals to prevent static discharge. Securely snap the compartment cover back into place. Test the remote by pressing a button. The LED should light up. If it doesn't, double-check the battery orientation. If problems persist, the remote may need reprogramming using your garage door opener's Learn button.